In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Steam desktop games to another hard drive. If your current drive is getting full, or you simply want to keep your game library better organized, Steam gives you a built-in way to move installed games without uninstalling them or downloading them all over again. That's especially helpful for large games since it can save both time and bandwidth. To get started, open the Steam app on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top left corner and click Steam. On some setups, you may see View instead, so click that if that's the option available. From there, choose Settings to open Steam's main options menu. Inside the Settings window, look at the menu on the left and click Storage. This section shows the drives and Steam library folders that are currently available for your installed games. At the top, click the drop-down menu to view your hard drives. This is a good way to confirm where your games are currently installed and to check whether the new drive appears in Steam. If the new hard drive is not listed, click Add Drive using the plus icon. Then create or select a Steam library folder on that drive. This part matters because Steam needs a valid library location on the new drive before it can transfer any game files there. After that, switch to the drive where the game is currently installed. You'll see a list of games stored in that location. Check the box next to the game or multiple games that you want to move. Once you've made your selection, click the Move button in the bottom right. Steam will then ask where you want to move those files. Select the new hard drive as the destination and click Move again to start the transfer. The process may take a little time depending on the size of the game and the speed of both drives. When it's done, the game should still launch normally from its new location, and you'll have freed up space on the original drive.